My very dear students, today you are part of a historical moment for you, for me, for the whole MIT fraternity. Why a historical moment? Legal medicine and forensic science is a topic with which the name, fame of a country can be connected. Anybody gives respect to a country seeing the law and legal position, crime position. And I always say there is hardly any other instrument to control and curb the crime than crime detection and crime diagnosis. And for that, the legal medicine and forensic science is the best instrument. My dear students, I must tell you a small instance. When I was studying, I was staying in the cheapest hotels, but I started earning early 70s. I was staying in a very famous 5-star hotel, and one day there was a commotion in the hall. A lady came crying and started talking to the manager of the hotel. He got terrified. The lady was telling that me and my husband are staying in this hotel since 1 week, and I went for one day for a training program, and I came back and I find, sorry for this narration, I long hair in the bed which is not my hair. And now you have to find out whose hair it is. That manager got terrified. He called the director general. He told, "Madam, don't worry, give us 24 hours time and we will tell you about everything." And there they named the forensic science. So I got interested. If one can find from a hair which person's hair it is, this must be something fantastic. That day I made thoughts that when I go back to India, I will start institutions, and I want to be the biggest private contributor in the forensic science and legal medicine. And on this path we are marching. We are having today MSc in forensic science, BSc honors in forensic science under the able guidance of Cellulo Kose and Dr. Chattopadhyay. And I want to show to the whole world that the Asian, with their intuition, instinct, flexibility and creativity, can make revolutionary revolutions in any area whichever you enter. I am so proud and so glad that such a expert fraternity from forensic science is here with us. With them, we can change the world, we can change the area of forensic science, and I am so proud to have all of you here. One request, that keep us guiding regularly and continuously, and you will have the joy and satisfaction of your life that all your work done till now, research, innovation, is going in the right direction. My dear students, you know that whenever a VVIP, a guest like Dr. Veerappa Moily comes, I feel so proud. Such persons radiate innovation, such persons radiate warmthness and radiate leadership. I always announce when such person comes, something which is hardly to believe, but then I achieve it. When on 6th August 2008, Shri Abdul Kalam ji came, I told him, I'll file, sir, in your respect, 100 patents in 12 months. He first saw with great suspicion my face, then he started believing and he spoke from mic that Dr. Chauhan will do it. Today, sir, Dr. Moily, I announce in your honor that in 3 years, I'll file 500 patents, and from today onwards, in 12 months, 167 patents. Research is good, publication is good, but until a research is not patented and not commercialized for the human, for the industry and corporate world, there is no value of research. And the next announcement I want to do with all these worthy persons sitting over here from all over the world, I want that at least 12 PhD fellows start with our Forensic Science Institute, where I would like to have one guide from yourself and one guide from my university or from India. I would humbly request, please guide people so that these young dynamic people show to the whole world that we are the best in this area and we help in the crime detection. I am so proud to see my here very worthy faculty members, those who are here, those who are dedicatedly sharing my mission to make MIT University the best in the world. Many people ask, how can you make Dr. Chauhan? There is Harvard, Cambridge, Yale, Princeton and many universities in Asia. I tell them the best is to mix best of the West and best of the East, and you create a product which is unparalleled. I have seen this preparation of this conference. Our Vice Chancellor K.J. Singh, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Shukla, with the able and very valuable guidance of Dr. Dogra and Dr. Balveer Singh, were working together with Chattopadhyay and Sally day and night to make this conference a great success. I am therefore quite confident that this conference will give path-breaking ways and means. I am very glad to have Dr. Mrs. Sanchez here, Dr. Salgado here, and so many experts on which we can be proud on each one of them. Sir, Dr. Murli, we are so proud to have you here, and also I should mention that our former Chief Justice, Dr. Sri K.N. Singh ji is here. He is also my Samdi, Atul ji's wife's grandfather. So he has been giving me always guidance and advising me. With this galaxy of people sitting here and sitting there, do you think that we will fail in not telling to the whole world that forensic science is our material, and with that we will change the scenario of crime and crime detection so that your countries and our countries are recognized by the whole world as the best country for investment, for development, for industrial growth and for human resource growth. Thank you very much.